Hello mga kamatiniks, this is Teacher Yang giving you math tips. This is our tip number 3, stick multiplication. So when we say stick multiplication, we are going to multiply numbers using sticks or lines. So how are we going to multiply the numbers 2 and 3, 4 and 4, 13 and 3, 21 and 4 using sticks? So this is the process. When we say 2 times 3, we are going to draw vertical sticks first. 1, 2, and then 3 horizontal sticks across the vertical sticks. 1, 2, 3, and then count the number of intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. For 4 times 4, we have 4 vertical sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4 horizontal sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count again the intersections that will be the product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the product is 16. For 13 times 3 naman, since we have 2 digits in the first factor, so we drew a line first for 1, and then kailangang malayo siya sa ones digit natin na 3. Drew another 3 lines na magkakalapit for 3. So this is 1 and 3 for 13. And then times 3, we have to draw 3 horizontal lines. Count the number of intersections in this part. 1, 2, 3. Sa tens digit natin, we have 3. While sa ones digit natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer for 13 times 3 is equal to 39. What is 21 times 4?